Yo, what is up, guys? I'm Zib. I'm gonna be starting a series working on my old 1950s model moped. It's an Alpino. That's all I know about it. It's 50 cc's. It's pretty mean. I've already started doing some stuff. I've taken the fuel tank off. That's it there. Cleaned out the carb. And that's it. That's literally all I've done. A few things to do in this episode is see why the throttle cable sticks. Try fix that. So we've got the throttle here. And the throttle cable connects to the top of the carburetor up here. I probably won't need any tools, but I'll grab some CRC and like some wipes to try clean it and shit. It seems like it's like rusty or something. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get some CRC and see what that does. So I have the moped out here right now. It's outside. So we're gonna get the CRC on the throttle cable before it rains. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So we're gonna get the CRC on here. And yo, so we'll see how that works. Throttle cable here. It's very small. The whole throttle body. That will lift on the side and all that. Get whatever's stuck in there, good. Get this cable. Just gonna get it up inside the handlebar, like where it's mounted. See if that helps. Start going into the cable. Yeah, it's going into the cable. You see it's still dripping down here now. It just travels through the cable. Alright, that's good. I'm also gonna have to change these tires because they're old and the inner tubes are blown. So I'm gonna try to spray these locking nuts for the wheels. Spray them some CRC while I'm here as well. Give them some time to soak in, penetrate the rust. The front one should be easy, it should just come off. The difficulty could be the drum brake mechanism. The back has a bunch of chains because it's pedal drive and then it's got the engine attached to another mechanism. So that could be an issue. But, you know, if I can't get it done, I take an automotive class, so I'm gonna take it in there sometime, get my teacher's guidance, see how that works. So we're just gonna spray this. Get something on lug nuts and those rusted shit, yeah? I'm gonna do the back ones as well. Gear mechanism, might have to adjust it. It works, like I can get in first, if I can show you. It gets into first. Push it down. So neutral's in the middle, second is up, one is down. Yeah, it's nearly impossible to kick, so that means it's in first. So if you kick it back and stomp on it, you'll hear it turn over. So it's in first. That's pretty cool. Alright, so before I try to start this thing, I'm going to make sure I've got the fuel tank. Look, there's like this old petrol, like two-stroke mix, still black. It's just yuck, I don't want that going through the engine. So I'm going to drain the fuel tank, put some fresh gas in. I've cleaned the carb already. So here's the cleaned carburetor. It's all cleaned up. It looks new on the outside, but the inside, even better. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Sometime soon, we get it running. Alright, so I reckon we call him LP. That sounds like a cool name. It's an Alpino. Yeah. If anyone knows more about this thing than me, write it in the comments or something. I don't know. Alright, so Sorry, it's a bit windy, but it's all good. Alright, bye boys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one, eh?